Japan and Hawksay. Long, long ago, there lived at the foot of mountain a poor farmer and his aged mother. Shinano was governed by a despotic ruler. All the aged people should be abandoned to die, said the daimyo. But I love my aged mother with tender reverence and my heart with sorrow, said a poor farmer to his aged mother.
Then he lifted his headless old mother to his back and started on. It is painful journey up the mountain. The road was dangerous, made by hunters and woodcutters.
They were climbing upward of the highest mountain, known as Abatsuyama Mountain, the abandoning old aged mother. The old mother was quietly drafted, the piles of figures, at the last of savage country, and hastened goodbye to each other. Let not your eyes be here, my son, the mountains are dangerous. The mountains are dangerous. Look carefully and follow the path. Which holds the piles of this. The sun rises. I look back, even the path is hard. Smooth and bowing the ground. He cried aloud. Oh, honorable mother, the kindness of my heart. I will not live together. We will die. Help.
The farmer hid the old mother inside the house. The old Shinano was absolutely ashamed.
The poor farmer whispered the news to his aged mother. The old mother said, I will. On the second day, she told him what to do. Make a rope of ashes. But he demanded to know where he had obtained his wisdom. Alas, cried the farmer. The truth must be told. And he related his story, and the daimyo was listened. For the poor farmer, and he told the story. Poor really mad,
I abolish the law because the old aged people have a wisdom and many experiences.